Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a grocery haul for 2 weeks. I went to Aldi's and Walmart, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is for 2 weeks, and then I have meat over there. So let's get started. Let's start with bread. Okay, so I bought 4 things of bread. At Aldi's, the limit is 2, so I just had Rob picked up 2. So I had Rob picked up 2, and then I got 2 because I just didn't want to deal with, you know, I go through 2 loaves per week. And then I got hot dogs. I just got 2 for right now. If I run out, I can always go back. And then I have 2 things of bagel as well. And this should last the kids for their lunches and breakfast and whatever else their heart little desire. So that's that. I got some cream cheese because they like cream cheese with their bagel. And yeah, I got that. We have 2 things of mixed vegetables. We go through a ton of this for our dinners. And I feel like I'm at the wrong part. Alright, so let's move on over here. So we have snack for Madison. So I got her chocolate vanilla. I got her juicy gel strawberry. I got her vanilla butterscotch and tapioca. I got her, Maddie snacks a lot. Maddie likes to eat. She's right here. Look. Say hi. She's just waiting for stuff to just go so she can go to town. I got her mood tubes. I have some caramel macchiato. Rob wanted a pineapple. Let's move on over. We have a bag of potato. We have banana. We have 2 things of mandarin orange. Just look like that. And then we have a bag of apple back here. We got apple there. And then we have pancakes and sausage. Rob thought this was corn dog. He didn't realize that it was what that is. He got that for Maddie, but he thought it was hot dog. But we went ahead and picked up the right thing. We have milk. I want to try these. It's a salsa con queso, cheese dip. And we have harissa salsa. Harissa salsa. I said harissa.
You said harissa.
I didn't say harissa.
You're
said
recording it, so you're
okay, whatever.
yourself back.
Whatever. So we got this for Rob.
It's harissa. We're probably both pronouncing it wrong anyways.
We have peach and pineapple chipotle salsa, black beans, and corn. And we just recently started eating salsa, okay? It's been really good. We got thick and chunky. We went a little overboard. We got a ton of hot dogs for the kids. We already did this. We have more apples. We have cocoa Dino Bites. Jordan picked that out because we brought him with us. And then we got Very Colossal Crunch. They go through a ton of cereal. This is probably not going to last. Put that guy back over there. We have dark kidney beans. I got 2 for chili. I got 2 black beans. And I thought I bought 2 of these. I don't know what the other one is. It's diced tomato for my chili. Got more milk. Did I say that? I think I did. I have a chili sauce because I usually tend to make a chili. Yeah. We got complete season.
It's just a wrap of paper towels. We don't have paper towels.
Onion powder. Wrap it in toilet paper then. Garlic powder. It was a joke, Rob. More mandarin orange for the kids for snacks. We have Mission tortilla, the flour tortilla, and then we have another. I got 2. So this has a ton in it. I believe it's like 16 count. So in all we got 32, 2 6 12, yeah, 32 flour tortilla right there. They didn't have the other noodles, so I just went ahead and got the cheaper one. So I got 2 of those because Maddie loves noodles. I don't know why. She's just loving noodles now. I got some Walmart knockoff for Pop-Tart. So I just got this guy. I got a box of rounds, buttery rounds. And then our family favorite, which is the variety pack, granola bars. There's like 32 in there, so I got a ton. What is this? We have graham crackers, honey. So I got one of that. I don't know why I didn't get the chocolate, because I want to do bonfire this week or something. We have sharp cheddar cheese here, and this is the actual corn 100% beef corn dogs. It's only 8 in here. I don't know why I didn't get the big pack. Maddie's gonna blow through that in like 2 days. She eats 2 at a time. Okay, that was the only thing you could find?
That's the only one they had.
Okay. I got her a ton of juice. I got her the 30 pack, and then there's another 30 pack down there, so like 60 thing of juice.
It's really hot.
And then she still has a ton under here, but she ran out of all her other stuff. So I got a ton of juice for Madison, and then I got her apple juice because the child can eat. She is tiny, teeny tiny, but she can eat. Do not let her fool you. That thing can pack some food away, but she poops like none other. I guess that's how our digestive system is supposed to eat. It's supposed to work. We eat and then the food just goes right through us. But us old folks, it'll be days before we go to the bathroom.
Like 5 days.
Got cookies and cream, ice cream. Can you put this in the freezer? It's starting to feel soft. And Walmart ice cream, once it thaws out and refreezes, it's nasty. So anyways, where did I leave off? We have mixed peppers. We have chicken breast, deli meat, and then we have the turkey. We got string cheese for Maddie. I got sharp extra for me. We got more string cheese for Maddie. We have bacon back here. There's like a ton of bacon back here. More cheese for me. We have a thing of foil paper. Rob picked that up. We have steak cut French fries, 2 of those, and then we have the buttered seasoned French fries under there. We have a cauliflower. We have a thing of chimichurri. We have breadcrumbs for what are those called? Milanesa. We have hickory and brown sugar, and then we have sweet golden mustard barbecue sauce. We have coleslaw mix. We have cream cheese for cheesecake. If I do decide to make cheesecake, we have 2 things of strawberry applesauce. Maddie loved these. She go through these. So I got 2. I got more cheese back here. Got some chicken breast. This pack is 2 meals in one because I can slice it, thinly slice it, and cook it up. This will make a bunch of milanesas. So I got 3 things of chicken breast. So this is 2, 4, 6 days worth of chicken. We have a ton of yogurt, more yogurt there. We have a thing of 60 large white eggs, and I think that's it on this section. And then if you move over here, Rob got this, and then we have more chicken for me to cook. I think these are Rob's meal. And then I got some ground beef. I got 2 things of ground beef. This is 2 meals in one, so 4 days worth. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. This is 12 days, more than enough. Rob still has meat down in here. I have 1 thing of meat down here, so we should be good.
You better turn up.
14 days.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
$100 at Aldi's, and then I spent $192 at Walmart. I took out $10 cash because that's how I save for me personally, because my husband has a ton of savings account, and for me, I feel like I need to have my own savings. So when you do the math, it's a little over $300 that I spent for a family of 7 for 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.